Hello students, in this particular class, we'll be solving the word problems based on age related questions. So when there is a comparison of the ages of two persons are there, let us start solving the questions. Let me read the question. There is no fundamental over here. Simple, the ages of two persons will be there and the questions need to be solved. I'm reading the question and then directly we'll start solving it. 10 years, the question given to us is 10 years hence, a man will be twice the age of his son. Means the ages of two person, that is son and a man is given to us. So first of all, how we should start the question? Okay, let present age of man be x years. मान लेते हैं कि man की जो present age है, that is of x years, and let present age of son be y years. Man की age जो है वो x years हो गई, son's age is y years. Now, what else is given to us? 10 years hence, 10 साल बाद, after 10 years. Okay, now, after 10 years. What will be the age of man after 10 years? The present age of man is x years. After 10 years, it will be x plus 10 years. And what will be the age of son after 10 years? It will be y plus 10 years. दोनों की एज जो है वो 10-10 साल बढ़ जाएगी, है ना? तो दोनों की एज में अपन ने 10-10 years ऐड कर दिया. अभी 10 साल के बाद क्या रिलेशनशिप दे रहा है? What is the relationship between their ages are given? Then 10 years hence, a man will be twice the age of his son. मतलब कि जो man की जो age होगी, this will be 2 times the age of his son. Means when we multiply son's age by 2, then it will be equal to the age of man. So what we'll be writing over here then, the age of man will be equal to 2 times the age of son. Opening up the bracket, that becomes x plus 10 is equals to 2y plus 20. Transposing the values, x minus 2y is equals to 20 minus 10. That is x minus 2y is equals to 10. That becomes your first equation. After that, moving ahead in the question, फिर अपन को दे रहा है आगे 10 years ago. 10 years ago मतलब 10 साल पहले, है ना? So now 10 years ago, age, what was the age of man? Again, the present age of man is how much? Present age of man is x years. तो 10 साल पहले कितनी एज होगी? x minus 10. And age of son, what was the age of son? 10 years ago, that is y minus 10. Now again, 10 years ago, what was the relationship between their ages? 10 years ago, man was 4 times as old as his son. Means the age of man was 4 times the age of son. Let's simplify this. That is x minus 10 is equals to 4y minus 40. Transposing this 4y, x minus 4y is equals to minus 40 plus 10. That is x minus 4y is equals to minus 30. That is the second equation. So we have two different equations. The first one is x minus 2y is equals to 10. That we have got from after 10 years relationship, and after 10 years ago relationship we have taken. So we've got the second equation, x minus 4y is equals to 30. You can see in both the equations you have the variable x. So directly subtract them and cancel the value of x. They directly will get eliminated. Subtracting equation number second from first. First में से second को subtract कर देना. That is x minus 2y is equals to 10. Out of it we are subtracting x minus 4y is equals to minus 30. When we subtract, the sign will get changed. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. This minus also becomes plus. X and minus x cancel हो गया, या कहा जाएगा कि eliminate हो गया. Minus 2y plus 4y, that is 2y is equals to 10 plus 30. That is how much? 40. That means the value of y is equals to 40 by 2. That is 2 ones are, 2s are, that is 20. That means the value of y is equals to how much? 20. The value of y is 20. Now then, moving ahead. Putting y आ गया, y is 20. That means y क्या था, हमने क्या लिया था? Son's age. Then son's present age is 20 years. Putting y is equals to 20 in Now again, we have two equations. So the first equation, second equation, we can put the value in any of the two equations. First में put up कर देते हैं. First equation is x minus 2y is equals to 10. X minus 2y is equals to 10. That is x minus 2 into 20 is equals to 10. That is x minus 40 is equals to 10. That is x is equals to 10 plus 40. That means x is equals to 50. So finally we get the answer. Y is equals to 20, x is equals to 50. And how we have to write it? Final answer. Age of man is equals to 50 years. Present age of man. And present age of sun is equals to how much? That was y. Y, I believe, is 20 is equals to how much? 20 years. That is how we have to do it. Okay? Okay, now let us take one more question. Now the question given to us is 2 years ago, man was 5 times the old as his son. Again, the relationship between the age of the man and son is given to us. So again, we will be doing the same thing. Let present age of man be x years. Let present age of son be y years. Now then, relationship 2 years ago. So we will be writing 2 years ago. 2 years ago, age of man. What was the age of man 2 years ago? X minus 2. Present age में से 2 साल कम कर देंगे, simple है. And what will be the age of sun? Age of sun is equals to y minus 2. उसमें से भी कम कर देंगे. And then the relationship between the ages of them 2 years ago. 2 years ago, man was 5 times as old as his son. मतलब कि जब हम man की एज हमें तब मिलेगी when we will multiply the age of sun by 5. Okay? Now x minus 2 is equals to 5y minus 10. X minus 5y is equals to minus 10 plus 2. That is x minus 5y is equals to minus 8. That is your first equation. Again, what else is given to us in the question? That 2 years later, now after 2 years, also after 2 years, what will happen after 2 years? After 2 years, first of all, we must write age of man. What will be the age of man 2 years later? X plus 2. The age of man will increase by 2 years. And what will be the age of sun then? Age of sun also will increase by 2 years. Y plus 2. 2 years later, his age will be 8 more than 3 times the age of his son. 8 more than 3 times the age of his son. Means the age of man will be 8 more than 3 times the age of his son. 3 times the age of his son. मतलब जो उसकी son की age रहेगी उसको 3 से multiply करेंगे and 8 again we will be adding 8 to the equation, to this particular value, then it will be equal to the age of man. Now let's try to simplify this. That is x plus 2 is equals to 8 plus 3y plus 6. That is x plus 2 is equals to 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 3y. That is x minus 3y is equals to 14 minus 2. X minus 3y is equals to 12. That is your second equation. Now again you can see in both the equations you have x. So directly what we will do? We will subtract. So directly we will be writing subtracting equation number first from second. That is x minus from second. So x minus 3y is equals to 12. And from this equation we are subtracting the first equation. That is x minus 5y is equals to minus 8. The sign is going to get changed. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. X minus x cancel. Minus 3y plus 5y, that is 2y. Plus 12 plus 8, that is equals to 20. That means the value of y is equals to 20 by 2, that is equals to how much? 10. So that is the value of y we have. Y is equals to 10. Now once we get the value of y, we'll be writing it over here. Okay, putting y is equals to 10 in. This is the first equation. Second equation. Let's put the value in the second equation. ये हर बार हमारी चॉइस रहती है ना, किस मेथड, किस वाली इक्वेशन में हमें वैल्यूज को पुटअप करना है. दो इक्वेशन है, इन एनी ऑफ द टू इक्वेशंस यू कैन पुट द वैल्यू. x minus 3y, x minus 3y is equals to 12. That is x minus 3 into 10 is equals to 12. That is x minus 30 is equals to 12. That is x is equals to 12 plus 30. That means x is equals to 42. Final answer. Present age of man is equals to 42 years and present age of sun is equals to, how much is the value by? 10 years. 10 years. So now this is how we have to solve the questions that are based on age. So kindly stay tuned for more such videos, and thank you for now.